Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we're working on the X5. I will be installing a brand new set of all-weather floor mats. This is a complete set for the X5. They're also from Lasfit, and I'll have a link down in the description below where you can purchase these for your own vehicle. So they're available for several makes and models, and you can use the code down in the description as well to save on your purchase. So laid out, as you can tell, this is the full set. I have liners for the front passengers, for the back seats. I even have the backrests when you have the second row folded down to give yourself added protection, and the cargo mat as well. And what I like about the Lasfit liners from the current vehicles that we've had these in and the previous vehicles we've had them in, they have a lot more coverage than the factory floor mats and the factory carpeting that you get in your vehicle. And when we purchased our X5, it actually came with the factory all-weather floor mats. And while they are nice, this is a great placeholder while we install the Lasfit liners. So they're pretty easy to remove, and you'll notice they're held on with Velcro. So you'll notice the large circles on the bottom. Lasfit is a direct fitment. So for this driver's side one, where you'll notice that we do have coverage now for the dead pedal, you can see just how much larger this section is. You actually have the Velcro circles on the bottom. So this is going to be a direct fitment. And once we slide this in, it's very easy to line up where it needs to go. You'll notice now we have extra coverage for the dead pedal, and we have this larger lip, especially on the inside, and this lip in the back here. So that way, everything is going to stay on top. It's also going to make it much easier, of course, to clean. So you can easily unvelcro these, take them out of the vehicle. You can use soap and water to wash them. You can also just wipe them down, just depending on what is on them, and you are going to have a lot more protection. I will also recommend that take these out of the box, maybe let them sit out for a few hours before you do the installation. It is going to be fairly curved just because that's how the inside of the vehicle is. But even with this passenger one, as we remove this, you'll notice the larger lip for the Lasfit liner. So it has a lot more coverage there to keep everything on the mat itself. And just like that, we can push it in. And again, you'll notice the larger lips on both sides. And we do have these circles here. They're holding the Velcro from the opposite side, so it gives it a nice clean look. As we move on to the rear cargo mats now, this is where it's going to be maybe getting a little bit more dirty. If you have kids, if you have a lot of people in the back, you definitely want some more added protection. Now these ones are Velcroed. Some vehicles will have either no Velcro, or they'll have the little circles that you have to place these on top of and then line them up. So just depending on your vehicle and how they are, but all of them should be fairly easy to remove. So once I get the Velcro unattached from that inside one, you'll notice that we have a separate floor mat. For the Lasfit liners, we have one solid piece now for the back seat. So it's also going to provide coverage for the middle passenger as well, that small hump right in the middle. And you'll see that we even have a larger floor mat underneath it. So if I push this to the side, look at how much farther this comes down than the circle here. So this is really going to get that entry and exit point, which you will notice is in this section here, where you are going to get a lot of dirt right on the inside of that kick plate. And so with the new liner, it is going to be a little bit difficult to install. It's not hard, just because it's one solid piece now compared to the two individual ones. So just start on one side, and then you can slowly push it down and get it into its position. So from here, we have the driver's side done, and now I can move on to adjusting the passenger side to get this one in place. And you'll notice it wraps around this back here, and you just want to make sure that it is in and fits in nicely. So now we move on to, I would say, a little bit of a more important area for your SUV, and that is the cargo space. While you can do your best to enter and exit from the other positions and try to not to track in a lot of dirt, in the back area here, this is where you're going to be throwing in random items. I use my SUV when I don't have my truck. I've used this to put in wood, take the trash out, things like that, where you want to have this back area nice and protected. So let's start off with the backrests of these seats, because Lasfit provides you with these backrest liners. And what's interesting to see is that we already have some Velcro on the back section of the seat, but this is just carpet. And you don't want to damage it, you don't want to rip it, so we have these mats right here that are side specific. You can still utilize these with car seats. So we have the cutouts for the attachment points, and it is nicely going to Velcro to the back. There is also this bungee system that we can wrap around the headrest as well. And then once we lock this up in its position, we can tighten that down just for some added support for the upper section. And it's going to be the exact same for the other two seats as well. We even have a smaller one for this middle area. And in most SUVs, you can also flip down the middle seat by itself. So I am going to do that in order to get this bungee system around. And then one more to go. And we can line this one up. You'll notice there's a cutout for the latch for the seat. So that's how you can differentiate them between which goes on the driver's side and which goes on the passenger side. And last up, it's time to install the actual cargo mat. So this one does not have any Velcro. You just slide it right out and slide in the new mat. So we can go all the way up to the tie down points there. And this is where I mentioned, leave these out for a few days. This will take a little bit of time out of the box, of course, to lay flat, and putting items back here will help with that as well. But as soon as that goes flat, we will have a nice flat surface and some good coverage in the back. Now that the new Lasfit floor mats are installed for the X5, let's just take a quick recap. Here are all the factory mats. I thoroughly enjoy having these, especially in my Tacoma, which gets a little bit more dirty with what I do. These are very, very nice. They're super easy to clean, so you can quickly remove them. You can wipe them down like I mentioned. You don't have to use soap and water, but it depends on how much dirt you have on them. They are very easy to clean and to keep dry too. So even if you spill drinks, water, whatever it may be, it's going to help protect the interior much better. And then having these here is super helpful, because at times I've had to put in items that are longer than the cargo spot in the back. Putting the back seats down, I can slide in items all the way up the back of the seat and not risk hurting the back of the seats. So this is definitely a must for any vehicle. And not only do they look good, they look factory, but again, it's going to keep your vehicle much better protected. So take a look again at the links down in the description below where you can purchase these for your own vehicle. And if you enjoyed today's video, give it a huge thumbs up. Consider smashing that subscribe button so you can stay up to date with our daily uploads. I will see you all in the next video.